money-making man. I'm a man, I'm a man. I got a bull market plan. I'm a man, I'm a man. I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'm a man. I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking on the big fish. I'm a shark, I'll get my biggest wish. Gonna make that money, fight the Wall Street fight. Gonna take those bankers down with all my might. I'm a stock market rebel, gonna make my mark. I'm a man with the Wall Street spark. I'm a man, I'm a man. I'm a money-making man. I'm a man, I'm a man. I got a bull market plan. I'm a man, I'm a man. I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'm a man. I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking on the big fish. I'm a shark, I'll get my biggest wish. Gonna make that money, fight the Wall Street fight. Gonna take those bankers down with all my might. I'm a stock market rebel, gonna make my mark. I'm a man with the Wall Street spark. I'm a man, I'm a man. I'm a money-making man. I'm a man, I'm a man. I got a bull market plan. I'm a man, I'm a man. I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'm a man. I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking on the big fish. I'm a shark, I'll get my biggest wish. Gonna make that money, fight the Wall Street fight. Gonna take those bankers down with all my might. I'm a stock market rebel, gonna make my mark. I'm a man with the Wall Street spark. I'm a man, I'm a man. I'm a money-making man. I'm a man, I'm a man. I got a bull market plan. I'm a man, I'm a man. I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'm a man. I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, a shark taking on the big fish. I'm a shark, I'm a shark. I get my biggest wish. Gonna make that money, fight the Wall Street fight. Gonna take those bankers down with all my might. I'm a stock market rebel, gonna make my mark. I'm a man with the Wall Street spark.
Boom, we are live, baby. There you go. Wall Street Blues. The best intro song out there. You're not going to find it anywhere else except this channel. Hope you enjoyed it. What's up, Salsero? Good morning, man. Hit that like button on the way in. Yes, sir. Lex, good morning. How are you doing, bro? Can you take a look at OPTT in at 24 cent? Need your opinion. All right, let's take a look at it. Already looked it up. Took a quick peek at the chat. Was already looking at it. All right, let's take a look. So, currently sitting at 20 cents. What was the volume like yesterday? Volume was tough. Okay. Oh, this is a bit of a weird setup. A bit of a spike. All right, this is my thought. So, let's see. Actually, yeah, you're below the. So you're definitely gonna have to hit the 19s again. It seems like. It looks like it needs to go down before it needs to go up. But I don't think it needs to go down all too much. I think the lowest, if it does go up, it probably need to hit 1930 here. You got resistance at around, was it 23? You got resistance at 22, 23, and then up to 27. Move will most likely be pre-market or after hours. If it does move up, it's not going to be during the market. If it is, it's going to have a ridiculous volume, so you'll kind of know when it does. They have news. Not really. Yeah, this one's a tough one. This is one of those pennies where they sucker you in, and it could have a pop up a week or two from now, but I'm not 100% sure this is gonna be. Might not be today. If it gets to 24, I could see it getting to like 22 today, maybe 23, because that's the resistance area. But if you get to 24, like you're probably gonna see rejection, like 25 maybe, but they're gonna put this down on. They're gonna try to keep this under. They're gonna cake it up. Senior moments. What is up, bro? Long time no see. Super low volume. Lucy popping up. All right, let's take a look at Lucy. Well, yep, Lucy with a nice little spike here. Volume is looking really good. They did a direct offering 18 hours ago for 5 million shares. They did at price market, so they already did it. You already got that volume traded. Interesting. Yeah, you got resistance here at 58, which you kind of almost tapped. You got another one at 82. That's a big one. You also have this channel at 73 and like kind of at the 62. So you got like 58, 62, 68, 74, and 81, 82. So we do have we have 2 day trades for today. I did take a swing at a pre-market play. Probably shouldn't be doing that, but I definitely did do it. So I don't even know if the play is even. What was it? It was Gene, right? Yeah, Gene. It was Gene. They just had a big drop. I sold out before then. It's that classic like therapeutics slash techno like pharmaceuticals slash therapeutics play where it pops up on news and then it trades sideways and then gets dropped. I didn't lose much on it. It was on my cash account as well, so it wasn't great. So I did burn my settled cash on that play for the day. So I am now currently just left with the day trades on my margin account. My volume is low. Okay. I don't want to turn it up too much because then you can start hearing the computer and everything. So, we run a tight budget around here. Low budget, tight budget. We have a decent amount to trade with. See, we got ELTK. ELTK is still in this $12 area. Let's take a look at SunPower. We still got SunPower options. SunPower popped up to 310. Yeah, whatever. It's just chilling. It's not really going to be doing much here. Yesterday, we also had a nice pop up on SVM. How's that doing? It's probably going to be going down today. We had a sort of a weird setup on it. IPW down. IPW hit 267, which I'm actually kind of disappointed about because when it was at 150, I was calling like, oh, IPW needs to go back up and went a full dollar move. STSS was a runner yesterday, which funny enough is actually one of a play a long time ago that I was calling fundamentally, but I abandoned it after the thesis fell apart. But it spiked up. I'm assuming it's probably just covering and stuff, so nothing too crazy. But yeah, I hope everyone had a good weekend. I hope we had a nice 3-day weekend for Memorial Day when it came to the markets. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Spend time with family, friends. Maybe some of you degens were studying the market. I don't know what you were doing, but I hope it was a good one. QBTS. I didn't say, I'm not sure if I said this on stream, but I was calling for a quantum pop-up. We got the first QBTS. We got the first quantum, one of the quantum plays I follow popping up. So QBTS, QMCO, and QUBT. How's QUBT doing? QUBT also looking like it wants to pop up here. Alright, so keep an eye on the 3 quantum plays. One of them is already popping up, 14% in pre-market. We got Sing. Sing's looking good. Sing could be a winner chicken dinner here for the day. What I was just looking at it. Was it a 2 hour? 2 hour looks kind of interesting. Side had a nice pop up here. Lucy still kind of trading sideways. Buru is at 15. I had a position on it. I sold out. Now that I have day trades, I sold out yesterday because I had day trades today. I was like, if it pops up, I'll make money on it. So, sir, I'm one of those degens. Yep. Well, actually, I spend my time playing chess. I told you guys that last week, that I spend my time playing chess, and I continue that. Not that you guys care, but It's just something I did. I'm actually what's my chess rating? Um, I went up like almost 300 points in chess on my elo. I'm not great. I'm ranked 4 millionth in the world on chess.com. 61.5% percentile, which is not great, but I was looking back over some games I played when I was younger, and I'm definitely like much higher than that. But how do you say? Well, that's not the market. That's not what we're here for. We're here for the stock market. So, um, we got about 8 minutes left. You know the rules when it comes to me. I don't like pre-market all too much. I took a stab at it this morning, got burned. Pre-market, it doesn't fit my. It's not my niche. I prefer market open because how you say, I know the behavior of how things work. I feel a lot more comfortable in the knowledge. Saida looking pretty interesting here. I think we could get a nice little spike up still. Maybe like a 50 cent spike up. Keep an eye on it, but it could also drop another 50 cents. So sort of in this mid channel range. We did have some decent volume. It does have some decent volume. Float is really small, only about 1 million. We did have a spike. It came back down. Another spike. It came back down. So Saida is one that I'm paying attention on. SYTA looking pretty good. Probably going to see a drop before we see a pop. MBIO, bit of an interesting curl here. I think we could see a pop up for the first like hour or so. Did pop up this morning. BNAI. BNAI is moving. Getting rejected at this sort of previous high at about an hour and a half ago. I think we actually will, just based off of the way it's behaving, I think you probably will see a break. I think you probably move up to the 260s. I think you're first going to come down here. I don't think it will go down to the 185s, but I don't know. I think that 13 is holding up well. I think you want to pay attention to how the VWAP moves. If the VWAP gets elevated, it's going to be a bit tricky, but if the VWAP kind of continues its momentum into the open, I don't know. They're always like messing around with this type of stuff. So it's going to be interesting because the volume is going to be what's the determining factor here. That's where the VWAP is going to come down from. APDN had a massive drop yesterday. Up 10% pre-market. Nothing too crazy. JAGX also with a little look at JAGX. Kind of looks a little interesting here actually. I know people here were following JAGX. It's fallen all the way back. Isn't JAGX actually don't they actually whoa. What the heck? Their daily is very interesting. Let me look at their daily. We had a line from a long time ago. So they did a reverse split obviously on the 23rd. That's not news. But we are in sort of this channel here. There's no options. A massive gap all the way from 10 to 15. Do you think they fill that? I mean maybe, but I don't think they fill it right off the bat. We'll see how it goes. I think the way JAGX is set up, JAGX is an interesting one to keep an eye on. So I've got SIDA and JAGX. SIDA and JAGX. Keep that in mind. Those are the two plays. GVH also looking like it wants to pop back up here. I think you could actually get a pop. Looking very similar to BNAI. MBIO, there you go. There's that pop up. MBIO. Interestingly enough, MBIO has a very similar setup to what is it? We were just looking at it. JAGX. JAGX and MBIO have very similar setups. Buru kind of dancing around. Probably going to see some good opening volume. Lucy making another, or Lucy's going to keep going here. Probably going to run into that 60 cent area from yesterday. Maybe a pop up to the 67, 66 area. That'd be a bit tough. GVH looking pretty good. We are now 3 minutes away from the market open. RSLS was a call out by Zim yesterday. Had a nice little pop up. Kind of stayed in this channel. I think maybe you'll see an opening drop and then maybe a pop up later on in the day. Probably it still wants to fill that 51 gap. So, which is like a, I don't know, 20-25% move, which is not terrible. SMLR, that's a little too out of my price range. Peggy looking. I think Peggy could see a pop up here. I mean, it obviously had a pop up yesterday, but it's bounced off of this 500 EMA 2 times now. So it's either going to settle back at this 24 area, or we're going to see a move back up to this sort of 33, 34 area. Still keeping an eye on SIDA, MBIO, struggling with that. Yep, coming right off of that purple. Where's JAGX at? Still think JAGX could get interesting. I don't know. The volume's kind of low, but I mean, yesterday we've been trading the float over pretty much every day since the reverse split. And the daily RSI is cooked. It's cooked. Not saying that means it's going to go up, but it is cooked. It's something to pay attention to. GVH still looking pretty decent here. I think GVH are going to get a move to the 3s here. I think it'll clip over this sort of this candle we had 30 minutes ago. Maybe try to pop it up, run into that $3 resistance. I'm not sure if they let it go up above it. Maybe you get a quick little spike up above it, but I'm not. There we go. Side is starting to make that move. Side is starting to make that move. It's a bit tough. It can go either way. Fill the gap or pop back up to that volume area. It's crosshairs. But we're going to get some new plays with the opening of the market in 20 seconds. We're going to get some more volume here. RSLS, I do think you're still going to see a little bit of a pop-up here. Let's take a look at OPP, or was it OPTT? Yeah. OPPT, like, it's this 1940 level. I mean, you could see a pop-up, but I don't think you break much higher. All right, boom, there we go. Market is open. Let's update the screener real quick. There we go. RSLS, bit of a drop here. BNAI looking ready like it wants to go up here. We do have an interesting VWAP. All right, so you're going to see a bit of a drop to this 180 level, or at least an attempt to. GVH popping up here. Whoops. GVH looking pretty good here. Yep, there we go. GVH moving up. CCG, I don't know about that one. Where's JAGX at? JAGX, what was the float on this bad boy? 4? Yeah. SITA. Alright, SITA, what do you want to do? Opening holy crap. Opening volume is insane. Oh, that's going to be an issue. That's going to be an issue. You got to see a flip right off the bat. It's going to probably run into that 225 level and probably get dropped. I don't think there's going to be enough volume to cover that price action. JAGX on the way down here. GVH, there we go, still moving. Opening volume is 6 milli. Free float is 3 million. Interesting. How's SunPower doing? SunPower had a big drop at the open. Popping back up here. Volume is trash. Alright, let's quickly update the screener. Alright, yeah, there we go. RSLS moving up, trying to pop for that 51 level. BNAI, we did hit 192. I think that actually could be, well, we did pop up over that to that 230 level. GVH getting dropped at the open. We got BWAQ. Is this on OTC? I don't know. There we go. Site is looking good. Alright, we're gonna go. Alright, we're in SITA. We're gonna have to be quick with the draw here. It's gonna be a quick spike. It might even take some time. Nope, they're gonna flip it. I mean, it bounced off the 190. Was volume increasing? This one's gonna be tough. All right. Oh, this is gonna be bipolar. We're gonna have a bipolar market. There we go. Lucy, boom. Wow, 60, moving up. Lucy doing very well for itself. BNAI coming down. Where's JAGX at? JAGX has not moved. JAGX has actually gone on the way down here. Ooh, this one's tough. What level is this? 189. It's not bad. It's not bad. Still at that resistance level. 2 minute. What's the 2 minute? 2 minute volume is pretty interesting. Oh, shit, we didn't hit the 2 minute. Wow, look at Chewy. Get out of here, bro. Come on, man. And I'm playing around with Saita, bro. And I knew Chewy's gonna do a move like that. Oh, we're still holding this level. All right. Let's see. Let's quickly update the screener. Let's see what else, if anything new. So RSLS coming down. We did try to go for the gap to the 50. We got dropped instantly. Didn't last very long. Lucy still moving up. Hit 70. Really good move. BNAI. Okay, so we did bounce off that 180 level. Question now is, do we get that accumulation level? We bounced right off of a support level. It's currently also bouncing off of the 33 EMA. There we go. Come on, Saito. Your float is so small. There's no way that volume did anything, man. You're just trying to... You just expanded that shit. Get out of here. Let's go. Come on. All right. I've learned my lessons from these. I've learned my lesson from these. These things always... There we go. There we go. Come on, Saida. There we go. Oh, yeah, you're okay. So you're going to dance around VWAP drop down, which is not a good thing, but come on. I want that next level. I want that next level. Give me the next level. Where's the 1 minute? 214. Oh, shit. 214 twice. Right at this resistance range. There we go. Okay, we broke 214. That's what we wanted. We're looking good. That was quick. What did we hit? 220. Great. What level's that? Just right there on that volume. Yeah, you can see shorts coming in, piling. Come on, man. You know what? We're gonna do 10 shares. We're gonna take 10 shares off the table. That's 1/5 of our position. Just, I know it's nothing crazy, but there we go. There we go. We broke 220. All right, we're gonna take another 10 off. We're gonna flip it over to the 5 share area. This one's tough, man. This one's tough because we got so many. They got so many volume resistance levels. Yeah, that 250 is gonna be a tough son of a gun. Wait, hold up. No, that's 4 hour. What about 2 hour? I don't think they got the shares. Yeah, 230. All right, we hit 230. That's that next level I was looking for. So we're gonna take another 5 off the table. There we go. Decent move. Decent move. It's getting sporadic. All right. RSLS, wow, big drop here coming. Looking to break lows from that pre-market. Lucy still trading around that 65 level. Good move there. We did run into that 70, 71 area. SITA starting to struggle already. BNAI did break that 180 support. Could not maintain. SING. ASTS, nice pop up here. GVH dropped. Good thing I did not get into it. That would have been bad. I was considering it. I actually almost did as well. Let's take a quick little look at the quantum plays. QUBT has not done anything. QMCO, volume is low. There we go. SITA is going for round whatever. Come on. Volume is consistent. Volume is good. So, what was it? We've secured... Took half off the table. Let me update this. We secured like $4, which is not great. It was like 4%. What about Fubo? Fubo's still chilling. SunPower had a quick spike and then dropping at this level. Yeah, we're running into that 500 EMA on the 15 minute. It ain't gonna go much higher than this 220 level. I'm still trying. We got increasing volume, which is good. Lucy, hey, if you're in Lucy, congratulations on that play. That was a good call out, Solcero. Hit 73.30. Nice pop. 21, 25, yeah. It's a good move. Is this a stop or? All right. Well, we're at the first level for SITA. Boom! Come on, man. Break that level. Break 230. Nah, they're just playing around that level, that 220, 230 level. Alright, we're on the third. Okay, so we're past the first 15 minutes. Come on. What was that previous high? It was 230? Yeah, we need to break 230. Come on, we're going to break 230. Wow, look at that VWAP move as well. That's crazy. 230, 230. Keep on hitting 230. Let's go to 1 minute. Okay, boom, we broke it. 232. Good bounce as well. What about the 3 minute? 3 minutes not looking terrible. We need to break this little pocket here. 236. $233. Come on, Saito. I know you got it. I know you got it. Hold up. Throw out that boil. That's gonna be fucking... Damn. Whoa, that was weird. Weird noise. Whoops. Alright, you know what? Take another 5 off. Really? You did that? Alright, well, we took another 5 off. It wants to go. I think it wants to go. Five-minute looks a little weird. Good call on Saito. Yeah, it how do you say, the initial move was pretty good. ATSS is moving. Where's Holo going? I actually don't know. Gotta call, give a bat signal to your boy Landfear. 157. Wow. Yeah, this thing's gonna drop. Whoa, where did SVM? SVM, yep. Good call up by Away. Away said silver was gonna drop today. Wow, look at that volume, man. We had a 45 million volume day on Saito. We're currently sitting at 22 million. Actually, let's compare the days. That was the initial opening 2-hour candle. What was the initial 30-minute candle? 30-minute candle was 17 mil today. Last time it was 23 mil. So we're popping up there. We got 12 minutes to try to fill that level. Yeah, alright. It's a tough one. They're gonna want to bring and drop this back. You know what? Let's actually try this. Let's do... Trying out a different strategy with my positioning here. And then we leave 10 that I can just market sell. Yeah, okay, wow, they caked that bad boy up, man. That 230 level's a son of a gun. Lucy, volume on the way down. It's a bit tricky because you've had a very steep move, but you could still push up here. Yeah, VWAP, oh wow, Lucy could actually really be skyrocketing here into the 80s. Saito with a big drop. No way that this float's not being bought up, bro. How do you... Whatever. I'm not gonna get attached to it. JAG-X, man. I was wrong on JAG-X. I thought this bad boy was gonna run. It looked like it wanted to. Hit new lows as well. What's the previous level? $3 technically? Oh yeah, okay. They're gonna bring the EMAs down. There's a drop. Alright, my first stop got tapped. Damn. Alright. put my last stop at my break even on SIDA. We got another day trade, so they're gonna want to hit that. Not the 1 minute. Yeah, this one looks a bit awkward. They just dropped it below a bunch of volume. VWAP didn't look too good. ASTS, nice move here. BNAI bouncing off of 170 rather than 180. I'm surprised it did dip this low. Could see another rally here. Probably try to get back up to that $2 range. Still inside us. Side is still looking pretty decent. Not great, but pretty decent. Ideally would have liked to get rid of that first 10 shares up in the 230s, 220s. Maybe we still get an opportunity to do so. The smaller time frames don't look great. It's just the reason I didn't want to go initially was because of that the opening volume candle was so high. That means if they got it below, if they got below the opening candle, it wasn't gonna. It's not coming back up. They won't let it come back up. But the fact that it broke it, like this sort of like it went above this $2 level, told me it was gonna have a pop, which it did. But the VWAP moved down too quickly with it. Yeah, they're gonna come back down and slam it through my stop. They're gonna bring the shit back down below $2. They want it in that volume area. Look at it dancing just on top of my stop. BNAI is gonna have another rally here. Don't have to worry too much about SIDA, because if SIDA breaks my stop, then so what? But if it pops back up, then we're looking pretty good. Lucy with a big drop. Whoa, thing went all the way down to 54. See this, and now it's moving back up. Did hit 74.64. This is what I'm talking about. Like now they got Lucy below that 65 volume level, and you can see that candle struggling slightly with it. It looks a bit different on the 5 minute. Like it did kind of come back down to the 13, but they're gonna try to drive this back below 50. If not today, they'll do it some other time. BNAI, yep, okay. About to get stopped. Boom. All right, we got stopped out of SIDA. Not a bad trade. Not the greatest trade. Hold up. I just want to check something. Yeah. Alright, well, we got slammed out. It can go down, it could go up. It's just the problem is that they got too many psychological levels, and if it breaks the VWAP, it breaks the VWAP. Rallies up to this 290. Could still be in play though. If If they get it below $2 here, it's not gonna look great. Hold up, let me adjust this back again. There you go. Could be a good dip buy. But we got another day trade. Let's not rush into it. That side of move, again, average could have been a little bit better. Lucy looking pretty good here. Has managed to break back over the 65 level, which is what you want. BNAI now breaking back into the twos. There you go. It's gonna, yeah, BNAI could actually break that 240 level. Yeah, I don't like SIDA anymore. There's too, like, look at those volume. Look at this white. Look at this volume. 5 million, 6 million, 6 million, 6 million, 7.5, 9, 10, 14, 14. It's probably going to have a spike back up to the 220s, but that 230 level's a son of a gun. There we go. SING looking pretty good here. Volume is pretty decent. We did slow down a little bit. We do have a level all the way to, oh wow. Hold up. What did we hit? We hit 51 again. If SIDA breaks 51, we could see a real move here. Or sorry, SING, sorry. I'm talking about the wrong ticker. SIDA, I mean, look, SIDA's float small, could still have a pop up here. Wow. I've never seen them do it like that. I've never seen them bounce. Like, maybe it's just because of the move Lucy's having, but I've never seen them gap it down all the way to 55 like that and then rallied off of the 13 EMA to bring it all the way right back up. That's actually quite impressive. That must be algos. Because I've never seen them. What was it, stop loss raid? They try to bring it back down into that little pocket. Oh, SING. There we go. Boom, breaking 51. This is where things get interesting. Alright, we're going in with another day trade. See if they pop it up here. Is it looking pretty good? 13's not bad. I want to see some new highs. There we go, 52. Hold up, let me. 1 hour. We broke 1 hour. Okay, so we're actually in. Boom, beautiful trade. Let's go. Come on, that's what I wanted to see. SING is now moving up. 53, 54 is the current high. Good bounce off of the VWAP there. Did break 51, so we are above some previous highs, which could get a bit tricky. I'm hoping that they just kind of let it run past this 54 level. You know, we run into 57, 58, then we got 60, 63, 64, 68. So what do you need to do? You really need to get out of this 70, but that's going to be tough. All right, boom, there we go. SING 50. What did we hit? 55. We hit 55. Come on, SING. How much? I don't even know how much I actually went in with. Oh wow. Come on, don't do the break. Yeah. Don't retest. We need to break 56 here. What's the 1 minute look like? 1 minute looks pretty interesting. We did pop up there. We got support at 51. Yeah. Fine. He's going to have to retest 51. Well, no, technically we already did that. We already retested 51. Popped right off of it, moved up to that new high. Alright, now we're forming a bit of a channel. Oh, this one's going to be tough. This one's going to be tough. Because it could go. If it goes, it goes. If not, we're going to get slammed back down below 51. Come on. You break. Don't do this shit, man. I don't like this. Oh, look at this absolute bipolar movement. There we go. Come on. Oof. 2 minute is interesting. What about the 5 minute? 5 minute also looks a bit heavy. 5 minute looks a bit heavy. Not the greatest, but it does look heavy. We got shorts piling in right now. They do not want to let this bad boy run. They know. Yep, there we go. Alright. This is the hard retest of the 51. Let's see if we got it. Alright, trying to bounce off VWAP here. We want to see the bounce. This one's going to be tough. We got a lot of volume kicking in as well. I mean, we broke 500 on the 2 hours as well. Yep. Boom. There we go. You're going to give me one candle on this shit? Come on. It's a 51 retest. We know that. See, it's going to be tough. It's going to be tough. Watch. They're going to play 51, 50, and then throw it back down to 49. And you get the fucking slow down of volume, man. What is this? How fucking predictable do you have to be, man? There we go. Shit, you are above highs, bro. You are above highs. They're toast. They're toast, my G. They're toast. Hey, congratulations, man. Congratulations. Alright, 52. I'm gonna slow down on volume. That's not great. That means bulls are weak or bears are panicking. It's either one. 5 million. What are we doing? Trading about half a milli. Come on, it's a bounce off the VWAP. Oh, and you give me that. What's that mid-range? Mid-range is 50. If you break 47, we're screwed. Actually, no, they would do that. They would do that and then run it. Look at that. Okay, so they're still playing with that 51 level. What did we close at on that previous candle? We closed at 52. That's actually not bad. See, they want to hold above. They want to hold above. You gave me that long candle. I want to see the next one. So tricky. Because we're near highs. We broke highs. We're near highs. So tight. That's what she said. Actually, hold up. Let's look at it from a 15. Fuck. Oh, wow. And we just got dumped on. Right back to that level. And they're going to cake it up below 50. They're trying to hold 51. Actually, wait, hold up. 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. 5 minutes is not great. 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. Tell me we bounced right off that level. Our volume is already breaking previous volume days. Hold up. Alright, let's take a look at Lucy. Yeah, Lucy. They did the same thing on Lucy. Feel that did we break those lows? 45 and the low was 45. And yep, now they're gonna keep it below the 51 level. Ooh, 51. Come on. Come on. Wow. Come on. Come on. Don't do this stupid shit to me. Okay. Right, that volume candle doesn't look right whatsoever. No, if it was gonna make its move, it would have already made it. When did we enter in? We entered in back here. So it's been about 20 minutes. We already retested 13. So what did we retest in the 1 minute? The 50. We retested the 33. We retested, almost retested the 33. Come on. You know, okay, we're flipping to a new candle here. We hit 53. Still trying to cake it up. No, that wick doesn't look good. They're going to try to throw it back down to the 44. Yep. Wow. Look at that. It's indecisive, though. Looking for 56.73. Yeah. Alright. Double retest of the 13 on the 5 minute. Give us the volume. Give us the. Back in Lucy. Wow. Look. BNAI. Whew, what a move. Lucy popping back up. Alright, the rest of the market's moving back up. SIDA ended up dropping, which doesn't really surprise me. Alright. RSLS still continuing down. MBIO. Look at MBIO. MBIO didn't have a bad move. Part of me thinks we're about to get rifled. You know what? We're not gonna hope. What level is this? This is. Just in case we do get rifled. Expecting like a sideways pop-up later on in the day. I don't think 55.29 is the high here. I just don't. 60s or 70s would make a lot more sense. 80s even. There we go. Ooh, look at the flip on that bad boy. Look at the flip on that bad boy. Look at that. Come on. VWAP bounce as well. Oh. Don't be a sucker. Don't be a sucker. Actually, you know what? let's go full. Let's go full blown. This is full blown. Lucy making new highs, 77.21. BNAI looks a bit wonky. RSLS coming back down to this 500 EMA. We're breaking those highs. Come on. We're breaking those highs. It's got the setup for the long candle, man. Give me the long candle. Move us up to the next channel. ASTS coming back down a little bit. Long wick on MBIO. It's going to be a bit tricky. All right, we're doing it again. I want the pocket jump to the 60s. How's SunPower? Oh, oh wow, SunPower hit 316. Okay. That doesn't look good. That does not look good. Okay, so we bounced off of 50, 33, and VWAP. So now one last retest of the 30, 13. Nope. Still playing around. Minute left to go here. Jumped in those $3 calls. SunPower. Yeah, SunPower's still not doing terrible. How's the SPY doing? SPY's not doing terrible. Actually, let me... No, okay, we can't. Not yet. Not a bad jump on those. I don't like this tease, man. I don't like this tease whatsoever. Come on, give... Yes, there we go. There we go. You need to break those candles. Break the wicks. Break the wicks. Yes. 54. Come on. 55.29 is not the high. 55.29 is not the high. Come on. We're about to get massive volume. Out of Lucy at 74, congratulations to Salcero. Come on. Here we go. Inverse head and shoulders. Inverse head and shoulders at the top. Alright, we put a stop in for 100. Reduce our position just in case. It's going to be $1, but whatever. Broke the wicks. It's a bit of a double top here. We're still hunting for that candle, man. We're still hunting for the candle. Alright, well, they kicked us out of 100 shares. This is looking like a double top, ain't it? This is a double top, and this is me just hoping. You have the setup, bro. You have it. Alright, new candle. Here we go. 5 minute. We still got the cross. Retest of 49. Lucy hitting 82. Lucy was the play, I guess. It did what I wanted SING to do. BNAI also a really good setup. Still moving. SING, I thought it was going to have a little bit more. MBIO with a bit of a topping pattern here. Chewy still moving up. Chewy, good move there. SIDA all the way back down to 190. Holy shit, dude. Break it. There's the curve. Boyle. Boyle's still moving up though. Lucy now 90. Wow. Can't really believe I'm using the Boyle here, but it's got the bounce again, man. You still got the Boyle going on. BNAI coming down. That wick looks weird. Lucy 90. Look at that move. Wow. How can you do that, but you can't give me the break on 55? What do you think? When you look at that 30 minute, what do you guys think? All right. Lucy 92 still moving. Beautiful move. Come on. Break. Alright, stop me out another 50. And this is where it runs, doesn't it? Back in at 80. Nice. Good run on Lucy. Congratulations. I thought SING was going to be it. ASTS still popping up here. MBIO looking for another move. Some Power going for another round, man. Some Power looks good. Some Power still looks good. Got a new candle as well on that. These all look very similar. What's the SPY up to? SPY. Yeah. SPY option plays would have been nice today. I was actually, part of me was considering going SPY, like trading the SPY options. Wouldn't have been a bad shout. There we go. Lucy looking to break into the dollar area is psychological level, of course. But somehow I don't think Lucy's gonna really. You're gonna get a pop to that 104. Yeah, hit 114 the other day. I mean, Lucy at this point, you gotta break it, right? You gotta break this high, this dollar range. If I look at the daily, SING. What am I seeing here? Actually, kind of makes sense. So we break out of the channel and then move up. And there's the drop. Okay. Lucy hitting $1. Really good run up. Had the setup. It had the setup. $104. There you go. All right. Oh wait. Whoa. What? I only did 10 shares. I just realized that. We'll do the rest at 50. It's done it 2 times now. All right, they stopped me out of SING. Damn, man. Lucy was the play. Lucy was the play. 100%. 110. 112. 113. 114. Looking to break highs. Quick spike 115. No. SING getting dropped 47. Yeah, it was coming, man. Well, once you didn't break that previous wick high on that candle, they flipped it green for some reason to make it seem like it wasn't a topping pattern, which it was. They were gonna dump it because it didn't break. Double top as well. Oh wow, yeah. Well, right there is Lucy halted at 114, by the way. But that right there is exactly why you use stops, man. That is exactly why in the hell you use stops. If you're ever wondering why should I use stops, if you know how to read a chart, right? That right there was telling me a big drop was coming if it didn't break that previous wick up, which is exactly what happened. Now you're going to play around because you got caked up below this volume. So now shorts are in full control. If you look at the 1 minute, it's basically like you have a head and shoulders double top with low volume weakness on the last pop. You have retest of the 120 EMA on the 1 minute. You got MACD on the way down. Sure, you're going to get some pop ups. It could rally back up if it wanted to, but it's going to be tough. You're going to play around for the next, I don't know, hour or so on the flip side of this. I was hoping it would give us that long wick candle to the upside. If it does the break now, I'm gonna. Well, I mean, look, I played SIDA correctly. I made money on SIDA. I used my stops to break even on like 40% of my position, and the other I sold pretty much at the highs. MBIO, dude, it's always the play you don't get into, right? It's always the play you don't get into. I thought after that new high break on SING, I was really hoping they would give us a long wick up and move us to the low 60s, which is still possible. I mean, they still had decent volume, so. But I wanted it to happen quicker. I wanted to move up into the channels quicker, because I say you want to move like Lucy, right? You want chaos. And Lucy was the play. SING was a little more structured. There was less chaos in the move. MBIO having some nice chaos. SIDA now coming down to fill that gap. Yeah, I said it was going to flip to 250 or down to 150, and it's did halfway up to 250 and now flipping back down. All right, let's take a look at some of these quantum plays, man. Quantum plays could be the next pop-ups here. Not the greatest setup on SPWR. You still kind of want to break. I mean, you tried, but you kind of rejected that. All right. Well, that was disappointing, man. I was with that play the entire way as well. And there it goes. Oh, look, it's gonna break highs, ain't it? You're gonna break 55.29, you son of a bitch. Yeah, I want to watch this. I want to watch myself miss out on the run. They gapped it down twice, bro. Seriously, you had to do it 2 times. You couldn't just do it once. Lucy's unhalted. Lucy hit 119, 120, 122. Lucy never gapped down twice. It never gapped down twice. It never gapped down twice. 124. Lucy having a nice run. I thought that said 130. 126, 129. There you go. 128 grabbed. SING is gonna rally for that 68 level. 130. There you go. Wow. Unlucky. Man, this is why I want to get into futures, bro. I'm getting sick and tired of waking up every single morning looking at like 30 different plays. They're all running. They all have like 5 of them all have the same setups. 3 of them start running. 1 of them pops up and breaks out. The other ones, like, you get this type of move where it's like this, the setup was there. It was there. It still is there. Just I don't want to be playing around with it the entire time. All right. Well, that's besides the point. 133.40 on Lucy. Nice run. BNAI is coming back down here. MBIO. MBIO was another play I was considering. Yeah, this one was tricky. Actually, this one did gap down. This one gapped down, what, 1, 2, 3 times. SING gapped down, well, kind of gapped down 3 times. More like 2 times, really. Just volume's kind of walking out of there. Lucy with a big drop off of the 134 hit. I mean, that's no surprise, really. You're way outside the boils on that long wick. You got support at 80. I mean, you got support down there. Halted on the way down. This is where the market comes in and messes around with it. Now, look, SING is going to run because Lucy is halted on the way down. What are these 20% swings? I mean, you could have made a lot of money on that. Yeah, there we go. 54.50, 55, and then it's gone. Oh my god. 56.25, 56.82, 57. This is so funny. They flip it up. Wow. That was the candle. That was the candle. Oh, 58. It hurts, don't it? If this thing gets halted, bro. Yeah, it's gonna make a beautiful move as well, man. It's going to the 60s. Because if you look at the 4-hour, you got 120, and if you look at the daily, you got, was it 68, and I mean, they'll probably try to keep it clean. There we go. Yep, let's go in the 60s, man. Good job, market makers. You fucking did me. You fucking did me, market makers. Oh, I didn't even see P71. Damn, sorry. So Sarah took up the chat. I didn't see Mr. Style FFIE. Yeah, bro, that could be the case. P71, I lost big time on FFIE. Yeah, I don't know. I never really trusted that. Round of applause to the market makers, ladies and gentlemen. They got me. God damn it. I don't even want to watch this. All right, I'm in the stream, guys. I can't watch this anymore. I'm oh, it hurts. I can't. Yeah, I'm not doing this to myself. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace.
I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a money-making man. I'm a man, I'm a man, I got a full market plan. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'll make those